solvent is 1 ml of 2-propanol, 10 to 15 mLs of NaOH, phenolphthalein indicator in microburette. To create your microburette, you will be using your syringe as well as a plastic pipette. Begin by cutting half of the top of the plastic pipette, a little bit, or near the top, whatever, right? Fuck it. And then attach it to the top of your plastic pipette here, and that will be your micro syringe. Okay. Using your microburette, pull up 1 ml of NaOH, and then begin titrating your something solution. Something. Add 1 ml of your solvent mix to the clean earthenware flask. 1 ml of your alcohol, whatever, to the earthenware flask, and then add 2 drops of the phenolphthalein indicator, and then mix. Part 2, preparing your reaction solution. You will need 150 microliters of 2-bromo-2-methyl-butane, earthenware, 3 dry bleed, whatever, 10 mLs of solvent mixture, as well as a timing device. So for part 2 to create our reaction flask, we will begin by adding 10 mLs of our solvent mixture into the flask. We will then be collecting our 150 microliters of bromo, whatever, using the 150 ml pipette. This will be done by your professor. Once it comes into contact, start your timer, stopper the flask, and mix. Part 3 will be done sequentially, so you will need 7 clean dry test tubes, 1 ml of 2-propanol per test tube, phenolphthalein indicator, as well as your previously collected 10 to 15 mLs of NaOH. Alright, to prepare our test tube, we will need 1 ml of isopropyl alcohol, salt, and then our phenolphthalein indicator, as well as a piece of paraffin. We'll begin by putting 1 ml of our alcohol, whatever, in, and then add in 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Once we have that, we will parafilm the test tube, and we will repeat for all 7 test tubes. Go. So this is what it will look like. Once it reaches a faint pink color like this, you know that the endpoint has been reached and that your sample is not contaminated.